To do the voice typing, simply press Windows plus H key. It will open this window for you. Now you can use it to do the voice typing in any type of editor box, like in your Notepad, Google Docs, or even in the search bars in your browser. Here is my Notepad. Now I'm going to use it to do the voice typing. Before using it, make sure that your microphone is on. Now you can type anything, whatever you want here. As you can see here that it is so fast and accurate. Next, you can also use some special commands to edit this text. For example, if you want to delete the last word or the last sentence, you have to simply say that, delete that. As you can see here that the accurate is removed. And similarly, if you want to put the tab space, you have to simply say that, tab, and here you can see that it has created the tab space. To get the list of all the voice commands, you have to simply click on this question mark sign. Go inside the voice typing commands. Here you have to select your desired language. Mine is English, and here you can see the list of all the voice commands and their actions, what they can do. Next, you can also type the special characters like comma, question mark, dollar sign by using the punctuation commands. For this, you have to say that comma, question mark, dollar sign. To get the list of all the punctuation commands, simply click on this question mark sign, go inside the punctuation commands, select your desired language, and here you will get the list of all the commands with their actions. Next, we will go through all of its settings so you can modify it according to your workflow. Simply click on this gear icon. Here you will get the list of all the settings. The first one is voice typing launcher. It will automatically run this tool whenever you are in a text box. So it will give you the quick access to the voice typing. Here you can also enable or disable the automatic punctuation. Here you can enable or disable the filter profanity. It will put asterisk for the bad words. Here you can set the wait time before acting. The maximum you can set it for 3 seconds. And here you can set the default microphone in case if you have multiple microphones in your system. Next, you can also use this tool in different languages. For this, you have to install the language pack. To install it, simply press the Windows key, go into the settings, time and language, language and region, click on add a language. Here you can choose the desired language from the list. Simply select your language, click on next in order to install the language. And here you can see the list of all the supported languages for the voice typing. Make sure that your desired language should be in the list of the supported languages. After installing the language pack, it will appear here in the list under the preferred languages. Next, to switch between different languages, you have to simply press Windows plus space bar. Here you will get the list of all the languages that you have installed in your system. Now you can select the desired language from the list. This time I will choose German, and now in my notepad I will type the German language. Hallo, guten Tag, here is Mr. AI. So this is everything about AI. If you enjoyed it or have any issues or new ideas for new content, simply drop them in the comment box below. See you next time. Bye bye.